You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3.
All right, go ahead and take out your math for today. We're on page 105. Looks like this. All right. There are some questions. The question at the top of the page is going to show up at the bottom of the page. So pay attention to that. So question number 1, how many dimes equal 80 cents? ¿Cuántos dimes en 80 centavos? Well, how much is a dime? A dime is 10 cents. So we just count by tens until we get to 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So how many? There you go. How many nickels in one dime? ¿Cuántos nickels en uno dime? Well, how much is a nickel? A nickel is 5 cents. How much is a dime? A dime is 10 cents. So what's the answer? How many 5s do you have to get to 10? All right. How much is 5 dimes and 2 pennies? 5 dimes, 2 pennies. How much? And how much is 3 5s and 1 1? 3 5 y 1 1. ¿Cuántos? You can figure that out for yourself, right? Sure you can. You're smart. Next you have some restas and some sumas. Go ahead and do those. Okay. Then you have our clock. You remember how to read these? What time is it? If you looked at that and said it's 11:45, it's 11:45, you were wrong because it's not 11:45. It's between the 11 and the 10. See that? So if it's between the 11 and the 10, we go to the one that is past, the one that is después, and the one that is antes. It's 10:45. Not 11:45, 10:45. Some of you are still having trouble with that on your tests, so watch out for that. Okay. Question number 5. I'm not going to bother reading it out for you. It's an easy question. What's 6 plus 6? 6 más 6. Yeah. Okay. Now this one is a little rougher. Betsy knows there are 12 things in one dozen. Betsy sabe que hay 12 cosas en una docena. The baker has 2 dozen muffins. The baker tiene 2 docenas de pastelitos. So how many pastelitos does he have? How many muffins does he have? If 1 docena is 12, how much is 2 docenas? What is 1 docena plus 1 docena? That's the first question. Second question. If the baker has 1/2 dozen cookies, media docena de galletas, how many cookies does he have? ¿Cuántos galletas tiene? If cookies are 1 dime each, si galletas costa un dime por galleta, how many cookies can Joe buy with 80 cents? ¿Cuántas galletas puede Joe comprar con 80 centavos? Well, your answer down there, like I said, is the same as your answer up here. So if you got it right up here, you'll get it right down there. Okay? And then turn it over. Give this some coloring. What you have here are some questions. Every question will give you an answer. Every answer comes with a color. What you want to do is find out what the answers are and then color that. So for instance, this here says 12 minus 9 is what? Is 3, right? 12 minus 9 is 3, it's tres. And the color is brown. Café. So what you look, so if the threes are café, threes are brown, you just look on this thing for any threes. Do you see any threes on there? Here's a 3. Here's a 3. Color them brown, marron. Okay? I was wrong. When I hold this up to the camera, it shows it backwards, so I'm looking at the camera while doing it. That's not a 3. It looks like a 3 when I hold it up to the camera. That's an M. Don't color that one brown. So, but that is a 3. So color that one brown. Okay? Find the answer to this one, color that green. Find the answer to this one, color it orange. See how that works? Okay. Don't just color it any color that you want. Use the colors and use them where it says to use them. Okay? So you could turn this video off now. Go ahead and do that, and it's all yours. And then you can move on to your English.